Can't read any books because the Books app can't access your library on your iPhone? No worries. In this video, I'll show how you can fix this issue and get back to reading. So let's start without wasting any time. Solution 1. Log out and log into iCloud. To do this, open Settings, then tap on your Apple ID from the top. Now scroll down to the end of the page and tap the Sign Out button. Then tap on Sign Out from the upper right corner of the screen. Next, tap on Sign Out from here. Once signed out, you will be back on the settings. Tap on Apple account from here. Then just sign into your Apple account however you want and check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Offload the app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap iPhone storage. Find out the Book app, tap Offload again, tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Enable iCloud syncing. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on Apple ID from the top of the page. Next, tap on iCloud from here. After that, tap on See All from here. Now, tap on iCloud Drive and toggle it on. Then go back to the previous page. Now scroll down and find Books in this list. Then toggle it on. Now go back to the main settings page. Then scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. Next, tap on Books. Now scroll down a little and come to the syncing section. From here, toggle on Home and iCloud Drive syncing and check if the issue is solved. Now this issue should be gone. So guys, that's how you solve the issue of books not accessing the library on your iPhone. If the video helped you out, smash that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.